What did we prepare today? Lemonade. Lemonade. What all did we take to prepare lemonade? We used big vessel, big spoon, bowls, lemons, sugar, salt and water. Okay? How was the lemonade? Was it sour, sweet or salty? How did our taste? How did it taste? It is sweet. It was not sour. We have added. Again, what all did we add? Lemon, salt and water. Oh, good. We are preparing lemonade today. Okay? What all we need to prepare lemonade? We need water, lemon, sugar and salt. Okay? We also need a big vessel and a spoon. Okay? So for that, what do we do first? We'll have some water in a bowl. Okay? Then we need to cut a lemon. Okay? So I'll be cutting a piece lemon like this in water. Can I do this?
No.
No. For that, what do I have to do first? Cut. Very good. I have to cut the lemon. So how do I cut the lemon? Hold it properly. Now take your knife. Cut the lemon into 2 pieces. Can I put the seeds into it like this? No. I'll have to remove the seeds first. Lemon into water. So, see what am I doing now? What am I doing? I'm squeezing lemon. What am I doing? Squeezing lemon into water to prepare lemonade for our children. See what am I doing now? 3 spoons of sugar in it. 1, 2, and 3. And a little salt, a pinch of salt. Very little salt I'm taking.
Okay. No.
No, we need not add more salt. Okay. The water. Stir the water in a bowl. Stir. Why should we stir the water? First, we have added sugar, salt in it. So, sugar and salt should dissolve well. Okay, in water. So that is why I am stirring it. Stir. Let the sugar and salt get dissolved properly. Can you see? See, Abhiyan? Is that?
Place it properly.
Look at it. Straight. Stir properly.
Good job.
Enough. Wait for your turn. Come on. Kalp, manchi kalp. Enough. Tushara. What are you doing, Tushara? Mixing it well, right? Mix the water. Don't leave your spoon. Now the lemonade is ready. Okay? I'll pour it into a cup for you all.
No.
Wait. Oh. What all did we add in it? What did we add, Abhiyan? What did we add? Lemon. What did we add? Sugar.
Salt.
Very good. Okay. Water. Okay. So we have mixed it well. Now your lemonade is ready. Taste.
Slowly.
How is it? How is it? Sweet?
Sour. What salt?
Hey, drink properly. Tushara,
Drink it.
How is it? How is lemonade? Taste. Abhiyan, how is it? Is it yummy? Very good. Tasty, yummy? Wow. Tasty. Tushara, how is it? So tasty. Have more. Have little more. Who wants more? One more. How is it? You didn't tell me. How is it? Is it tasty? Is it sweet or salty? Oh, okay. Is it not sour? Sweet. Why is it sweet? Because we added sugar in it. But the lemon is sour. How does lemon taste? Sour.